How's it going, everyone? DIY Dad here. You haven't heard from me in a while. Been doing a lot of weird stuff, but just want to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Got a real quick product video for you. This is the Milwaukee M18 system of batteries. These things are great and powerful. Check this out. So just got this a couple weeks ago. Super lightweight. It is a straight shaft string trimmer with the detachable power head that you can put like pole saws and things like that on there, so it's pretty cool. I was hesitant to try battery at first, especially 18 volt, but Milwaukee rips. So this does have a speed feed head, just like the Echo ones that I really like quite a bit, the Echo gas and electric ones. This thing has like tons of torque and zero lag when you rev it up. It's got two speeds here. That's the turtle mode. Let's go to rabbit mode. I'm doing 3 medium-sized city lawns today, so this thing will get through pretty much anything you're going to encounter outside of really thick stuff. But I got 095 trim line on there, so it's pretty beefy stuff. Same diameter string that I use on the gas one. I'll try this one-handed. Need I say more? This kit came with an 8 amp hour battery. I've done one lawn already. Still full battery. Guys, this is the real deal. I'm really getting sold on battery powered stuff. As long as you're not doing commercial work or doing multiple large lawns or country lawns or anything like that, this is probably more than enough power you'll need. Especially with good quality line. I'm going to put some Echo Black Diamond on here once this stuff's gone. But it's got a bump head, just like you'd expect out of a normal 2-stroke. Good quality. I'm impressed. Anyways, guys, I'm going to keep this short today. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If you've got a question, leave it in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching.